Juices for digestion of carbohydrate are maltase, invertase or sucrase, lactase and isomaltase, collectively called as disaccharidases. Intestinal juice for digestion of protein are aminopolypeptidase and tripeptidase and dipeptidase, collectively called as iripesin or peptidase. Intestinal juice for digestion of fat are lipase, phosphatase, polynucleotidase, nuclease, nucleotidase, nucleosidase, phospholipase, etc. Now, regulation of intestinal juice secretion. Intestinal juice secretion is regulated at three levels. First is local stimuli. Distension of the small intestine leads to secretion from the crypts. Also, tactile or irritative stimuli and presence of food can result in intense secretion. Nervous regulation. Parasympathetic stimulation increases the release of intestinal secretion. Hormonal regulation. Enterocrine controls the secretion. Now come to pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice is clear, watery secretion that is similar to saliva in the content of water. The pH ranges between 7.5 to 8 or higher. About 500 to 800 milliliters are secreted per day. In addition to digestive enzyme, large volume of sodium bicarbonate are secreted which play an important role in neutralizing the acidic kind. The combined product then flows through a long pancreatic duct that usually joins the hepatic duct immediately before it empties into the duodenum. Pancreatic juice for digestion of carbohydrate are amylopectin or amylase. Pancreatic juice for digestion of protein. There are a number of enzymes present for digestion of proteins. They are trypsin, secreted in proform trypsinogen, activated by enteropeptidase or enterokinase. Trypsin activates other proteolytic enzymes. Second enzyme in the pancreatic juice for digestion of protein is chymotrypsin. This is also secreted in proform chymotrypsinogen, which is activated by trypsin. Third is carboxypeptidase, again secreted in proform procarboxypeptidase. This is activated by trypsin and enterokinase. Fourth is elastase or pancreopeptidase. This attacks peptide bonds involving neutral aliphatic amino acids like glycine, alanine and serine. It is important that the proteolytic enzymes of the pancreatic juice not become activated until they have been secreted into the intestine. Now, pancreatic juice for digestion of fat. Pancreatic lipase or stepsin, it works with the help of bile salts and cholipase, cholesterol esterase and phospholipase.